How to set the Android Auto layout, media, or navigation closer to the driver on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Then we go down and tap on Connected Devices. After that, scroll down to the bottom. Then tap on Android Auto. From here, scroll down. And in the Advanced section, tap on Change Layout. From the Change Layout pop-up, you can select Media closer to the driver, or you can choose Navigation closer to driver. Select one of the available options, then tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.